Now I would like to welcome our next guest, Mr. Jaspreet, who is a recognized leader in additive manufacturing industry, who has the ability to carry an eagle eye view, very important, while driving implementation on ground. Because the most important factor is we just imagine, we envisage, but at the same time, to have that vision is very, very important. So here is Mr. Jaspreet. He is currently at the helm of affairs of NCAM as a CEO. He is keen to drive broader engagements with brands, businesses, startups, academics, and research institutes to implement additive manufacturing roadmap for India going forward. So the most important factor is what, the whole, since morning that we have been talking about, that there is a huge industry, there is a huge, let's say, huge requirement of using this technology in the industry, and I believe Mr. Jaspreet is going to help us open our eyesights or give us an insight on what the future is going to be like. So Mr. Jaspreet, please welcome.
First of all, a very warm welcome and pleasant afternoon to all the dignitaries, all the guests at this event. So I will commence by congratulating BFW for coming up with this subsidiary of M2 Next and taking a major stride by developing India's first laser DAD-based hybrid and robot metal printer. These commendable efforts contribute to our nation's Make in India initiative instrumentally. DAD, as most of us probably know by now, is an additive manufacturing process in which focused thermal energy is used to fuse materials by melting as they are being deposited. When coupled with CNC machining in a single hybrid equipment, DAD results in a powerful technology for obtaining a precise finish of the built part. The technology is currently being utilized across aviation, defense, space, and construction. I believe that was one of the queries from the dignitaries, that what exactly is this technology used for. So case in point, one reference case is Lockheed Martin Space has recently used DAD to build titanium fuel tank domes for satellites. So using this technology, the company reduced production timelines for the component by 87% and reduced their lead time from 2 years to just 3 months. So that's the power of the DAD technology. DAD also is used for structural parts and very instrumental for commercial aircraft components. In the past, we have seen several foreign private players amaze the world with technological advancements. But we know majority of them are supported by brilliant Indian scientists and engineers. But now it is time that the technology developed by Indians is built in the country and then exported globally. It's time that we occupy a larger share of the 3D printing industry that is expected to grow to USD 65 billion by 2026. Being the CEO of NCAM, I once again congratulate the entire BFW team for the initiative on developing the first DAD equipment in the country and look forward to support it by all possible means to make it a successful brand. So whatever bottlenecks are currently there in the entire ecosystem, please put that forward to us and we'll ensure that we take care of it. I already took feedback in terms of material development. That's the biggest challenge which we have as of now. And there are standardization issues. There are a lot of issues which we have to work upon. So that's one of the mandate which we have from the government of India, that we have to accelerate the technology by many folds and taking it to the next level in the country. For the benefit of the large audience, probably a lot of people don't know what NCAM is. So National Center for Additive Manufacturing is jointly established by Ministry of IT and Electronics, Government of India, and the Government of Telangana in collaboration with the industry. NCAM will promote and enable the adoption of additive manufacturing technology in India and raise awareness of potential benefits and address challenges in the ecosystem by collaboratively working with the relevant stakeholders. NCAM is conceptualized with a vision to create and enable a sustainable ecosystem for product innovation in India with emphasis on research, design, development, and testing through collaborative efforts between academia, industry, and government using the disruptive technology of additive manufacturing. The NCAM will ensure the growth and development of the AM ecosystem in the country, and it will be a physical center located in Hyderabad, equipped with state-of-the-art AM infrastructure, office, and incubation, etc. With the launch of NCAM and the initiative to be undertaken it, we would further accelerate the ecosystem and realize our vision to establish India as a globally recognized one-stop destination in 3D printing technology. I request the representatives from industry, from startups, from academia present today to look at NCAM as their partner to build a world-class innovative solutions at an accelerated pace. In this journey of the industry, we'll ensure due support is enabled for the innovators as we closely work with MITI, the Government of India, and industry partners. So let's all be ambitious and take the Indian 3D printing industry to new heights. So without taking much time, I know we're running behind schedule and we have other meetings to catch up. I'll wrap up my speech here. Thank you very much.